I don't know about the dress. Subscribe please, so that he leaves me alone. Please remove him. Please. He's bothering me. He'll calm me down. Okay, thanks big, that you subscribed. And he flew away from me. Look, this is what it looks like from the front. It seems to me. I'm tired of him. So I won't take it. So I have the next swimsuit. This is what it looks like from the front. From the side, it looks pretty good in principle, but I'm kind of tired of it. I don't really want to take it with me either. I'll probably take it with me. I really like it. How it fits, and from the front, and from the side, and from behind. This one perfectly highlights all my assets. And I really like the style and model. Also really like the color. So I'm wearing my last swimsuit. I think I'll take it with me. This is what it looks like from the front, and from the back. I really like that. That it looks really nice with my green hair, and that's why I'm taking it with me.
Give me your suitcase! Hand it over!
I think I packed my backpack. So thank you all. Subscribe to the channel. Like and bye bye everyone.